Want to get a Namecheap domain coupon code that will get you a Namecheap domain discount, saving you money on your Namecheap domain name purchase? Then this video is for you. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Namecheap promo code discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap domain name discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Namecheap current promos and deals page. You get the latest Namecheap domain name current offers, saving you money on your Namecheap domain name purchase. These Namecheap offers are updated every month. Towards the top of the page, you'll see where you can select domains. This will pull up all the domains current offers. You'll see the offer and where you'll save on a .com domain name on your first year. You'll see the 99-cent domains offer. Just click on the offer that you like. I'll start by clicking on the .com domain name offer. You'll be taken to the domains page where you'll see the domain promo code you want to copy and enter in the coupon code section at checkout. If you scroll down, it'll show you the domain savings on other domain extensions. From the Namecheap promos page, if I click on the 99-cent domains offer, it'll take you to the 99-cent domains page. You'll see the domain promo code you want to copy and enter at checkout under the coupon code section. Enjoy the Namecheap domain promo code and coupon code offers, discounts, and deals. You've now successfully taken advantage of the Namecheap domain coupon code and Namecheap domain promo code offer, saving you money on your Namecheap domain name purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap tutorial videos.